the E to the R to the L to the I to the N to the G. Oof, size large.
Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland until 3:30 p.m. At 2:01 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Gunpowder River. The strong thunderstorm was nearly stationary. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves